A world without cars is totally unimaginable. It has become the part and parcel of our generation. The cars as we see them today have evolved over several decades.
The first steam-powered vehicle was designed by Nicholas Joseph Cugnot and constructed by M. Brezin in 1769. This automobile was heavy and nearly impractical for normal roads now. The record for world's first car accident also belongs to the same model.
The first commercially available automobile was manufactured by Carl Benz and his brother in Germany in 1885. Henry Ford's famous quadricycle was built in 1896, tremendously changing the then existing travelling concept.
Then came up the time of mass industrial production of cars.
At first, being a symbol of luxury, cars belonged to the richer classes only. But slowly and steadily, its demands among the common people increased.
Along with it, the two world wars made several changes in the lifestyle of the then world. Big industrial houses set up during war times started producing automobiles at large scale.
New developments and improvements made people to have special interest for automobiles. Today, there are over 1 billion passenger cars out there on the roads. It is still one of man's greatest inventions.
Cars are used extensively in the Hollywood movies, and some movies are even automobile-centered.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Preeti Meal and today I am standing in the campus of lovely Professional University. Cars and automobiles in today's era have become an important part of our lives. So let's know what is the take of the people here in LPU on the same. Hello, what is your name?
Kamardeep.
Vishal.
Randeep.
Yeah, my name is Narayan Sharma.
Unique. Well, my name is Shubham Sharma.
My name is Anil Solanki.
My name is Rishi Chopra.
Sharon. Pooja.
My name is Mehak.
My name is Bhavna.
Roshni. Nalini.
Ruchika.
Rishi.
I am Nisha Thapar.
Myself Puneet.
My name is Sukraj.
Varun Kumar.
Do you think that cars in today's era have become a symbol of status in our societies?
Yeah, of course, it is status. Because rich people always want something new, luxurious, all that stuff.
Nowadays, everyone prefer that they should import a car which should not be so common, which should be unique, and the person should be recognized by his car name and by his car number. This is a status thing.
Yeah, it's actually like a symbol of status for some. Like for some, it's the necessity. For some, it's a symbol of status.
Somewhat yes, because nobody is looking at what type of engine it contains or what type of that. Nobody looks feature. Only see, yeah, it's BMW. I want that. Oh, it's Ferrari. Yeah, I want that. Nobody sees that. Yo, it's having this type of engine. No. Even nobody knows that how many cylinder engines they contains or nothing there. Only status.
Yeah, like people ज़्यादातर यही सोचते हैं कि अगर अच्छी cars हो या अच्छी bike हो तो
तो वो सब स्टेटस भी आदमी का अच्छा शो करती हैं। सो मेरे हिसाब से ऐसा लगता है कि आजकल जो लोग हैं वो कार्स इसीलिए मतलब कोई किसी को इम्प्रेस करने के लिए या अपना स्टेटस शो करने के लिए कि वो काफ़ी एलीट क्लास से बिलोंग करता है।
Yeah, it is a symbol of status. As we all know, all are purchasing cars, like you can say Honda City is now the symbol of status for everyone. For middle class and high class, rich people also are purchasing these cars. So I think it is symbol of status.
Yes, of course, they have become, apart from the need, they have become the status symbol, and definitely we are looking forward for the cars which represent our status. Definitely I would love to buy a bigger car. A luxury is there, and of course the status symbol.
It's been a symbol because everybody travels and show that they are the richest people by traveling on the car. But on another side, some people go for their duties and just for their work they go by cars.
सभी कार इसलिए यूज़ करते हैं क्योंकि कईयों का तो शौक भी होता है और कई शो ऑफ करना चाहते हैं.
Do you think cars in today's era have become a symbol of status in our societies?
Yes, of course, because as we know that it is important in day-to-day life because there are so many rich people, and obviously in the middle class scenario also the industries has they have manufactured some cars. Example of Nano, it's for middle class people, and in fact its cost is also less. So now it become very much essential, and also in day-to-day life also.
Yeah, some people think that it's kind of show off, and some people have the feeling that it's kind of necessity, and so it's some people have those that sort of thinking. Yeah, it is a show off kind of thing. Yeah.
Yes, obviously nowadays car has become the basic need of a person, and even a small guy, a person who is just a school-going person also want a car. And everyone is obviously dream of having their own car, and nowadays most of the youngsters are just they dream that
SUV cars. Why? Because it looks sporty and looks good. Looks are good.
definitely from the time cars were invented, they are a symbol of status in our society, and still they are.
According to me, it varies from section of society in which you belong. In middle class, they prefer the car which is having average, and it comes within the economy of the people. High class people find that they buy Honda City and Safari, which belongs to their standards, which raise their status.
Yes, we normally see people just like the rich people, they normally prefer the expensive and luxury cars. It has become a status symbols for them.
Status के लिए कि वे show off करते हैं कि हाँ हमारे पास ये कार है, हमारे पास वो कार है. But common people जो हैं वो अपनी time consumption के लिए, अपने जो job वगैरह पे time पे पहुंचने के लिए, अपनी जो है comfort के लिए वो use करते हैं.
Definitely, car is a status symbol.
Okay, which is your favorite car?
Range Rover.
Porsche.
Maruti Swift.
Ferrari.
मेरी तो रेंज रोवर ही सबसे फेवरेट कार है.
Duster is my favorite car.
I'm more interested in Vento.
Mercedes, Fortuner and BMW.
Verna I like the most.
My favorite car is Chevrolet Cruze LTZ.
Range Rover, I would say.
Lamborghini. Mine is obviously Audi.
In the common range, I like the Renault Duster.
My favorite car is Tata Safari Daikon.
Porsche, Audi.
I-20 or Swift.
Ever heard of Evel Knievel?
Why only Range Rover?
No, not only because Range Rover is a luxurious and SUV, so that's why it's dashing also.
It's compact and I like the way it's look. Like its speed and all. Yeah, average and all. It's okay.
Ferrari. Why Ferrari?
Having the VFX engine and having the 6-cylinder engine, that's why. And having the pickup speed is the most nice pickup speed.
बस यूं ही मेरे को अच्छी लगती है. So yeah, looks wise, so अच्छी लगती है. So इसीलिए Range Rover मेरी.
Because it is SUV, comfortable.
Yeah, because it's more comfortable. Due to my height, I can drive. I know how to drive, and obviously it's the structure also, and from the looking perception also, I like it.
It has very good looks, and that ambience of that car is also very nice.
Because it has very high speed and it has a very high control and a powerful engine.
Safari, first of all, its name. It looks muscular, courageous, thrilling name. After that, it has been used by many politicians, by army.
Why only Porsche? Why not any other car? छोटी सी है, सोनी सी लग रही है. देख के बस दिल करता है, wow.
Sportier look mainly.
What do you think the youngsters in nowadays prefer the most, the SUV cars or the sedans?
SUVs, because like they're big in size and it is good for show off also.
XUVs. They are big in size, sport, dashing look, and the infrastructure is also good.
I think they like sedans. Sedans are much like glamorous look. SUVs are much for sports and all. Yeah.
Maximum prefers XUV because their look is nice. Having pickup and the look is awesome.
SUV कार भी अपने वे से अच्छी है, मगर सेडान कार सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छी है क्योंकि वो लुक वाइज काफ़ी अट्रैक्टिव लगती है. सो जहाँ से भी गुजरती है और ऑब्वियसली सभी देखते हैं. So sedan car is perfect.
Sedans, because SUVs are not compatible to go anywhere or this. Sedans are, you can say, we can take it anywhere. In traffic also we can use it.
Yeah, SUVs, they like the raised level. They love to see the road from higher height, you can say. Definitely SUVs are coming up.
Sedans. Yeah, because small families are there. Hardly 4 or 5 members are there in the family. So
mostly I believe SUVs. because they have some kind of stylish perception in their mind that, oh, we drive this SUV and we are big cars and rich kind of scenario, the perception nowadays youngsters have. So basically,
I think SUVs, they are wild kind of things, and as sedans just give the feeling of like class and formals and all. So SUVs give a wild feeling, a need for speed kind of thing.
Because nowadays mostly boys are interested in sports, and that some kind of tension is also there.
I think the SUV, because I am a youngster and I prefer SUV because the sedan class is basically a luxury, and the older people prefer luxury and the younger people prefer the SUV has more speed and more power.
Youngsters prefer mostly SUVs like Fortuner. Fortuner now these days become favorite of the youth of India.
Mainly they go by looks and the trends which are prevalent in the market, and cost, fuel economy these days an important factor of these days to select a car.
So here we heard the views of people regarding cars and their importance in our life. And certainly it is true, because we cannot imagine our world without cars nowadays. This is Preeti Meal signing off. Thank you.